The FTI training was really one of the reasons that I joined the Franchise Brokers Association. I had validated with virtually all of the major brokers associations, organizations, and really felt the training was one of the things that set the FTI training apart. I think the trainers are outstanding. Amanda, the main trainer, is a working broker, so she's not teaching from a theoretical standpoint. She's teaching from having been there and done that. She's one of the top brokers in the FBA and does the training. So you're really learning from somebody who's very experienced. And when I first did my training, I was just coming out of the hospital from a health issue and did the training remotely. During the pandemic, they developed the capabilities to conduct the training remotely, so I did mine that way. And I'm actually coming back for kind of, I call it remedial training, but it's kind of a brushing up on my training, do it live, and find it's a great experience, great camaraderie, cooperation among the brokers, and I've really enjoyed it a lot, and it's made me successful.
So I went through my training in the spring of 2023, and at the time, I was working as a franchise development manager for another brand, so I was familiar with the franchising space, and I was doing pretty well with one brand in one industry. When I decided to become a franchise broker, I was confronted with an inventory of over 800 brands, 37 different industries, and though I had a good bit of confidence in myself, it was still quite intimidating, actually, and I wasn't sure quite what to expect. But when I went through the FTI training, it was so well put together, both from the systems perspective to the aspects of working with the clients, learning the brands, doing the research, helping your clients be matched with the brands that are going to be the very best fit for them based on a whole set of criteria. I came out of the training feeling much more confident in my ability to learn this plethora of brands that we represent and really do good, solid research for my clients to match them with the best brands. So this is best in class training here at FTI. You would be hard pressed to find a training with the breadth and depth of preparation that they give you here at FTI.